My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor, and I welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've worked at IRS for, I don't know, over a decade. I've worked thousands of cases, probably over 10,000 cases. And I like to give you the skinny on what's going on, the truth. I've been sitting at a desk doing IRS resolution cases for over 50 years, and I am a national expert on this subject. I have a team of former IRS agents. We're available for, a short-term consultation. We don't charge. We don't know, if you can resolve your case or not. But I want to talk to you today about IRS tax resolution services and in general and what to look for really in companies. I mean, that's what you got to do at the end of the day is you've got to find a company who goes ahead and can resolve your matter. So I want to make sure you understand exactly what to do and who to look for. There's going to be a lot, and most people start Googling IRS tax resolution companies. I'm one of the companies you Google, but this isn't about me. It's about you finding who you want to use. So some people want to go local. 60% of the people want to go local. Other people look at ads and promises and talk to people. But I want to make you aware of a couple things. There are thousands of IRS tax resolution companies. I have a very large Facebook group of tax resolution companies because they want to know what I've said. I've been on Fox and ABC and all the major stations. There's a lot of good ones, but unfortunately there's a lot of tax resolution companies you got to stay away from. So when you look for a company, here's what you got to do. You got to look for a person, not necessarily the company. What happens when you call a company? You're going to have a salesperson talk to you, evaluate you, and find out how much they can squeeze from you. That's the process. Then some of the money, bulk of the money goes to them, bulk of the money goes to the company. The person doing the work gets actually the least amount of money. What you want to do is to find the person, not so much the company. So when you're looking for a person, you got to clear the smoke of what the ad says, because ads can say anything. Everyone can have ratings. Everyone can switch companies, alter ratings, and at the end of the day, this ad has focused. We can save you pennies on a dollar. We have had interest and penalties abated. Yeah, everyone does, but that's really not the norm. I used to abate penalties for IRS. They're tough to do. Everyone does not settle for pennies on a dollar. I taught the offer program at IRS. You want to speak to the person, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me, that's going to work your case. That's who you want to speak to. How much experience does that person have? How many cases have they had before IRS? And more importantly, given the facts of your case, that person should be able to tell you what the outcome should be. You talk to me, you give me the facts, I'll probably tell you the outcome. Like, wait, 95% of the time. The only time a company can't is it on an audit because they haven't looked at your record. So you want to make sure the person's an attorney, a CPA, an enrolled agent, former IRS agent who has been around a while. Could be anyone. Could be your own accountant, your own CPA, your own attorney, someone in your neighborhood, somebody you know. But you've got to make sure they've had, to me, over 10 years of IRS experience in dealing with cases. They're going to know the shortcuts. They're going to know how to handle the cases. They're going to be able to tell you the result that they should expect given your case. What are they going to need to go ahead and fully tell you what is necessary? They're going to need transcripts. They're going to need to know what's filed, what letter you want. Are all tax returns filed? Are you current? Those questions they need to ask to ascertain where you stand with IRS. My first question is A, are all your returns filed? Are you current in the year you're in? Let me see your transcript. Is a year missing? Are the tax liabilities right? Then if you owe the debt, I'm going to ask for your current financial statement. I need to know how IRS is going to close your case, and your representative should know that well ahead of time before that you give them a check or a credit card. What are they looking for? They need to know what your asset base is, what your income and expenses are, and they need a good idea if you owe debt, what IRS is going to do. Generally, if you've done this a lot. As soon as you see a person's financial statement like that, you're going to know how your case is going to end. So make sure the person is credible. They have over 10 years of IRS experience. They can tell you specifically how your case is going to resolve. You will get a gut feeling for that person when you talk to them, whether they can do the work or not. But more importantly, if you call me or someone else, whoever you call, they're going to tell you how your case is going to resolve, because the cases are all kind of within the same boundaries. Anyway, I wish you happy hunting. If you find this video helpful, please leave me a subscription. Apparently YouTube thinks that's big. If I get a subscription, I would appreciate that. And give me a like or that, but a comment. I return all my comments usually by the end of the week. You can use us to represent you if you want. You can always send me an email or a text message if you have a question. I try to get back with everybody. So remember, happy hunting and leave me a subscription. Thank you. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up.